laughter and friendship fill every home, two faithful friends, Goryo and Hilario, set out on a simple journey to find food and pulutan for their community. Though not known for strength or skill, their courage and companionship carried them through every challenge. They chased swift banyas, ran after elusive native chickens which we call abuyo, and even braved the biting abuos while gathering eggs beneath a tall tree. Yet still, they returned empty-handed. Despite this, their spirits remained unbroken. For in the end, their journey was never about what they could bring back, but about the joy they shared along the way. In Ilocano culture, happiness is not measured by abundance, but by unity, generosity, and the bonds that make every simple moment worth celebrating.
Feel the beat grow stronger. Feel the energy rise. This is where tradition meets boldness and modern spirit.
A performance fueled by passion, pride, and fearless expression. A generation moving forward without forgetting where they came from.
Representing their cluster with pride and power. Cluster 6.
Agsagana tantay taganap jebante mawakwakar. Tapno nga dantay pasangot atun fiesta.
Sige gayem, intan.
Kitaim nga nalang tapagsilong pare.
May plastar puti ang pangkon.
Detan, dejayen, aliswang.
Nagdakkel gayem.
Apay, apay.
Naibatap tay banyas. Ay, nagkasaang magdan. Nagdakkelan pa'y. Awanan tay banyas. Nakaruk ateng. Bayamon gayem. Tay-tay jay baban. Maring ada madalapos na nga bumaba. Mapanunod mo tayo mapampanunod ko, Hilario?
Wen Goryo.
Agaman na! Goryo, aking inayad ka. May isa, dua, talo! Ay, sayang!
Awan na tagasad Goryo. Mesa, dua, talo, gamat!
Nagpaspas na, Hilario. Ay. Nabanog akon gayem.
Isupay agayang. Awan na tagasad ta Goryo. Hinta man pela ginana dita sirok ti mangga.
Abo, ano detakin magat kanya ko?
Kayum! Abuos deta! Ije kayum! Balay ti abuos!
Isugayem! Naimas ti itlog ti abuos. Isun ti may sa kay dasartay kong gayem.
Sige kayum! Pag-aalatan!